Well,
like, do you follow?
it's yeah.
You doing it?
Yeah. It's good.
This is the condiment.
Here we have the tomatoes.
And over to your left, you will see the lovely cheese.
It's good. And we have Jamie as our host.
Yes, first you take your bread. Then you go to the condiment.
And we watch her make a sandwich. How do you make a sandwich?
First you put the cheese.
All right.
Then you do
The tomatoes.
with food. Let's see. And then you take your spear. You spear yourself a couple of pieces of turkey. Just like, hey, we're filming a video.
This is yeah, oh yeah. This is the real
You
pickles.
unroll your turkey. Put it.
But oh yeah, we got it. We got it.
And a little lettuce.
Lettuce. Yes.
And some mayonnaise.
All right.
Okay. I'm a girl. Too much. There we go. Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
And you are complete with your full graduation meal. Enjoy. See him, do you?
I am.
Oh, we're now?
We are. Yes.
Explain how to make a sandwich.
This is how we make a sandwich.
Oh, and then you put a Dorito on the top. No, I don't want that. You Dorito.
Cookies, Cookie Monster. So, do you have anything to say, Whitney?
No.
Come on, don't be shy.
I'm excited for college.
You're excited for college.
Bye.
So what?
Bye.
Oh, she's gone. How about you, Aubrey? What do you have to say on this fine day?
I hate Whitney.
You hate
I'm only here for the food.
And Jamie.
And Jamie.
And
I guess. I don't even like
here
Jamie
for
half
myself
the time.
too, so.
really? Mm.
I'm more here for support of the parents.
Okay. Okay.
Parent,
Okay.
basically.
She is my fourth sister.
I see.
I am, kind of.
Okay.
That's part of the reason why I hate her.
Okay.
Are you friends with her?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
So what college are you going to, Whitney?
Drake.
You are? Awesome. And so you are going to major in?
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy. Drugs, huh? How about that? Hey, who's this?
Mike Burke.
What?
Mike Burke.
Mike Burt.
Hi.
Pleasure. I'm Bob.
Hi, Bob.
Nice to meet you. Great. And did you graduate together?
No.
No.
You graduated last year.
Okay. And so,
Oh, I gotta go. Hold on.
oh, you're leaving? Okay.
Let's go find the people.
You're finding the people? All right. Take care, bud. Okay, these guys are gone. They scattered. They scattered away. Okay.
It's for Whitney. It's for your
Oh my God, I love her
last
so much. Are you friends with
Whitney's
her?
my best friend and I love her to death.
Awesome. That's really
Wow,
good.
how
Did
original.
you graduated together?
Yep.
All
Best
right.
friends. We do everything together.
Really? How long have you been best friends?
Since 7th grade.
All right.
She is friends with her. She's friends
I love it. I
claps
love
her hands together like Sam from the Jersey Shore.
All right. That's great. That's great. So what do you guys do then when you're best friends? I mean,
We hang out together.
yeah. Okay.
We go together everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yep.
Okay.
We get ready together.
All right.
I'm here all day.
All day.
All day.
This is it.
Yep.
So what, are you going to college?
Yeah, but not with her.
Not with her.
We're gonna be 5 hours apart.
Where are you going?
St. Cloud.
St. Cloud, huh? What do you plan on majoring in?
Criminal justice or nursing.
Okay.
I'm gonna miss her.
Yeah, I bet you are. I'm sorry. That's a bummer.
I'll cry.
Yes, but you guys will still email and like Skype. Yep, Facebook. Right. Right. Yeah, emailing is.
Word of Life church.
I don't even do that.
I know.
It's good. It is fun. That's awesome. Well, it's a pleasure. What was your name again?
Marissa.
Marissa. I'm Bob.
Hi, Bob.
Nice to meet you.
We're at our church.
I've
Yeah.
been there.
You have?
Yeah?
Okay. Cool. Yeah, I haven't seen you there. I mean, maybe I was like gone or something.
Maybe.
Been there a
Me?
few times.
Yeah?
Yeah, Rob.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Very cool. Pleasure. Well, I'm going to move on and interview some other people. Do you guys have anything else you wanted to say?
Congratulations, Whitney.
Oh.
Chris came.
Jamie, you just said that on camera.
You should look back at this like 5 years later. She'd be like, "That was the worst mistake I ever made." I know from experience, okay, guys?
Was that the dude that I was just talking to? Is that him? No?
Not yet,
Okay.
you'll meet
He's
him
not here
later.
yet.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. How about you, Aubrey? You nothing?
Second that.
We'll zoom in real close.
I love you, Whitney. Your choices are your own.
All right, all right. That's good. Okay.
I don't care who you listen to. It's your life.
It's your life. Isn't there a song about that?
It's my life.
It's my
It's
life.
now or never. 'Cause I ain't gonna live forever.
Oh, wait, we missed this guy. Okay, so what did you want to say? And what was your name?
You know when she was a baby.
What's your name?
Jeremy.
Jeremy.
We've known him since I was born.
All
Me
right.
and him are best friends.
Okay.
We lived 4 houses down from each other.
Awesome.
Actually, we used to live right next to each other until I
Until-
moved.
Okay.
4 houses away.
All right. All right.
The
That's
big move.
the big move. Got it. Yeah, I know about those big moves. Yes.
4 houses away. You often do that, Bob?
Sometimes.
I do. I move into a neighborhood and then I decide that the house 4 houses away from me is better.
Yeah.
And then I decide that the house 4 houses away from that one is better.
Hey.
Yeah.
And eventually I just go around the block
Okay.
until I'm back in the house that I began with.
Okay. Okay.
But
That-
Turns out that one's the best.
That works. That does.
4 houses away around the block from. That'd be kind of confusing.
We should let Bogwood interview other people.
Yeah. Bye.
Well, no, you haven't said nothing yet.
Congratulations, Whitney.
All right. Anything?
Best friend forever, right? Is that what you said? Keep it original.
Keep it real. All right.
You have me.
Sweet. All right. Signing out. Thanks.
Wait, I love you. Okay.